Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I thought I'd give you some house renovation updates. I sold a gold chain on eBay, and with that money I got an electrician in, and I bought some stuff that I needed, DIY materials. When we moved in this house, the living room, dining room was knocked through. Because I had two grown-up sons, I let my son use the living room as his bedroom, which he still is in at the moment. My older son's moved out, so I'm going to move my younger son upstairs when I've had the bedroom replastered. So in the meanwhile, he had to sleep in here, so it made sense to block the arch up. And this doorway has been reinstated because the original casing was still in the wall, so we just knocked the stud frame out. The light switch was here though, so it was a pain because it was hanging off, so I've had him fix the light switch. And he's also put up my lamp. I've had this in a box for ages. I think it's well over a year. It's a Tiffany style lamp. As you might have gathered, I'm into Tiffany style lamps and glass lights and things like that. I bought this on eBay ages ago, and I'm just so made up to see it up. It's pretty. So this room's going to become the living room again, well, / dining room. I've got a big table in the kitchen, so it's going to come in here, and one of my armchairs from the back room is going to come in here as well, and I'm going to leave the cupboard in here, so it's just a nice functioning room. Yeah, so we've had a fireplace put in. I bought the bits and bobs off eBay, the cast iron frame, I bought separately, and I bought the tiles separately, and the wood fire surround, as you can see my cat gracefully showing you. Yeah, so, and I bought a new plinth for the bottom. So basically everything was second-hand apart from the plinth. Isn't that right? So yeah, I'm made up, so it looks like a proper living room with a lovely fireplace and a lovely light. I'm going to leave these curtains in here because they fit, because they're over 100 drop, so I need big curtains, so it makes sense to leave these curtains in here. I've got some pretty glass lanterns in the window as well. As I said, I love glass. And my cat's on my son's bed, he'll go mad. So I was like, don't let the cat infiltrate. So yeah, so I bought these lovely quarry tiles. They cost me £119. They were in my basket for like a good couple of years. But now I want to sell a house, I need to sell them. I got black because my front door's black, so we're all ties in. Yeah, these are slightly smaller. These are only 4-inch ones. My original ones were 5 and terracotta, but they were chipped, cracked, some were missing. So I thought, oh, I need to get new ones. So I thought, because I've had the front painted black and I've got a black front door, it seemed to be sensible to have black tiles on the front as well. So let me know if you've done any house renovations, any work on your house at the moment. I'd be interested to know. And please like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I really do appreciate it. And I loved all the lovely comments that people keep leaving. It's always interesting to see what people are up to in their lives as well. Bye for now.